हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखेंगे A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hare. I for igloo. J for jug. K for kite. L for lock. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for spoon. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yarn. Z for zebra.